All right, let's talk about how to recruit and see if you can get people to click something to watch something if you invite them. All right, through email. Maybe it's on a post on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or maybe you have a webcam like I'm speaking to you guys right now. But I am a big fan of just inviting people to watch short little videos about Live Good. Okay, most videos, they're already made. Now, if you want to do a personal email like, a personal video like I'm doing right now, that's up to you. Okay, just get the webcam set up, or maybe you just put this on a shelf or on one of those little $10 things that'll hold your phone, or maybe you have an arm. Do you guys have one of these? Did you grow one? I got a couple of them. I like to write with one and wipe my ass with the other. But anyway, maybe just do a selfie video for 10 seconds. Hey guys, this is Cory. I got an opportunity I think you'd be interested in. If you don't mind, go to joincory.com. Thanks for your time, guys. 10 seconds, 15 seconds. All right. And trust me, you'll get better. I've been doing this quite a long time, so I know it might look like I'm pretty comfortable yapping here to you guys on a webcam and pretending to do one on my old cell phone here. But the more you do it, you'll get better. You'll get over the shyness. You'll realize no one cares if you look tired or if your voice is weird, or do you stutter and say yeah, and maybe you pee your pants. Leave it on. Upload it. All right. If you're freaking out to the max, good. I think it's more interesting. Be yourself. Tell people you're new. Tell people you're scared. Tell people you don't like the way you look, and people will relate to you. Trust me. Their misery loves company. Probably. All right. There's a lot of people that will know, like, and trust you if you're brutally honest. And you just tell people straight up, I'm doing my best, guys. I hope that my video is good enough to make you go to the link that I recommend. You click, and I hope you like what you see watching the short video. All right. Be honest. Seriously, video works. It is by far the most effective thing to get signups in just about any business. All right? Everyone is addicted to these darn little things worldwide. This just isn't an American thing, or France, or maybe everybody in Portugal's rocking out to the cell. Everyone has a cell phone, or at least online access. And it's so nice if people don't really want to talk on the phone, because you're not going to have time. Maybe to friends, family, and maybe to a few people you don't mind. But if you get a group as large as I'm right now currently lucky enough to have, all right, there's too many people in my downline. I don't have time to talk to everybody. But if I can have a video, or a video's already made, or a company video, like LiveGood does, they have a comp plan. All right, they have all the products. Everything's already made. And there's a beautiful video that you can just invite people to go to that will tell you or anyone what they need to know about LiveGood to either join as a member, where they can get wholesale pricing on products, or for $40 be an affiliate and earn money, or just go ahead and disappear and say, hey, LiveGood's not for me. Thanks for the opportunity, but it's just not for me. That's all. All right, boom. No harm, no foul. But I'm really good at just inviting people to joincory.com, because then it goes to this video, or right here. There it is. This is called the Live Good Power. I call it a capture page, because you want to capture people's attention. And how do you do that? Through this video. People watch this YouTube video produced by Live Good, and then capture a name and an email address. If you want more information, put your name and email address there. And for 30 days, you'll get one email from Live Good. And they're really good. All right, be sure and save them. And if you want to join, put your name and email there, and then click this little button, and then go open up your email, and you're going to have a Live Good email. Open it up, get your username, password, and go ahead and set up how you want to get paid every Thursday, and order some products. All right, products are by far the number one most important thing to me. Because if LiveGood was just a cash grab of a bunch of fake stuff that no one cares about, LiveGood would last a couple months and be kind of a shiny ball, a fad, and then all of a sudden they just disappear. Well, we have the best products, guys, and we're wholesale based. No one's going to beat our prices on our products. You're just not, because we're a wholesale company. We make the products for you and other companies to go resell for profit. And you don't have to buy anything with our company to earn a commission. How's that? Pretty cool, right? You only buy products if you'd like. You buy wholesale if you have $10 a month. You want to be an affiliate? Spend $40, guys. You got 220s. Come on. Spend it. Invest it into yourself. Let's get that money back. A couple signups, man, you got your money back. You're flush. Break even, baby. Okay? But the products are awesome. The products sell themselves. That's how I became a big fan of LiveGood. I was buying the products just normal, like going to Amazon.com or Walmart.com. Then I became a member to save about $30, $40 a month. Then I became an affiliate about 2 years ago. And now here I am doing well. You know, my check with LiveGood each month pays for this building, the power, the light, the electricity, food, and some snacks to put in my mini fridge. All right, I've got a nice setup here. I mean, if I didn't have to leave this environment for like a month, I'm okay, guys. I've got everything right here. This is like so comfy. This is my man cave. This is where I'm comfortable to do videos with you guys. And it shows my personality. I'm not going to put up a tree and make it look like I'm in a doctor's office or in a multi-billion-dollar the 100th floor, and I'm in New York, okay, or Chicago. Maybe I'm in Los Angeles, and I'm just this guru, okay? I feel that if you just talk about hobbies and yourself and just relax, tell people, hey, if you're nervous, you're nervous. If you don't like the way you look or you don't like your voice, join the club. Okay? But be yourself. You don't have to fake it to make it, to be successful. I firmly believe that. The more humble, even if I was holding my phone now and I dropped it and I picked it back up and I started laughing, I would go ahead and upload that video. Because you're going to probably drop the phone. You're going to stutter and lose your place and not know what you're talking about on a video. You're going to try to email someone and it's going to probably sound salesy and cheesy. All right? You're going to try to post something on Facebook and you'll be embarrassed that your friends might make fun of you because you're trying to earn money online. All right? Join the club. We all go through this. But laugh your way to the bank. All right? I don't really have to laugh my way to the bank, but I'll tell you what, I chuckle a little bit. And when I see my paychecks through Facebook not through Facebook, but through online, I log in and I see my income provided by LiveGood and a couple other sources. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying. Because on some of my incomes, I get paid whenever I want. I just click a button and the money is transferred, boom. Instantly, like within 10 seconds. Some of my income, I click and the money's there the next day. With LiveGood, I get paid every Thursday. This is just incredible. I'm not used to getting paid like this. I'm not used to making this volume of cash like this. Especially just wearing a Jason Friday the 13th hockey mask hat. I've got my new custom-made Cobra Kai shirt that I just custom ordered offline. All right, I got a nice cup of coffee brewing right off to the side here. You might even be able to hear the coffee pot brewing. But to work at home or like this, you know, I can pick up this webcam. This could be a hotel room. I could be in Alabama, Africa. I could be in Algiers. I could be in Utah where I'm at right now. I could even be in my car and just pull over and just do a video behind my steering wheel. And as long as people just get my message, which is please go to joincory.com. If you're interested in LiveGood, you know what? Give it a couple minutes. Okay? And that's where it comes down to me just inviting you to click this button right here. Boom, joincory.com. All right, and then I have it forwarded for free to this LiveGood capture page, which you're going to have. See where it says Cory Draper right there at the top? You can put that name too. But if your name's not Cory, change it. You can put Bob, Tom, you can put Big Bird, whatever you want. I just put Welcome to LiveGood in Cory Draper's website. But everyone is going to watch this little video here. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Your name, your email, click. All right, lock in, guys. Get information. Do your research. Do scam videos, reviews. Do everything you can about LiveGood. It kicks ass, guys. I've been doing this 2 years now. I got 3,800 videos regarding LiveGood. I know LiveGood just as good as anybody. Okay? It's a legit company. The products are awesome. You got 3 months, 90 days to get your money back. You buy any of these products that you see on my mini fridge, even if I forget I bought them and they sit there for a couple months, I open up one of the containers, I empty it out, in a Tupperware bowl and I send back the empty container, as long as it's within 90 days, I get a full refund. Even if I'm a cheese ball and just empty the ingredients and send back the container saying I just don't really enjoy the results. No receipt, no nothing. Just send it back to Jupiter, Florida. It's a pretty damn good guarantee, guys. Okay? So, joincory.com. I want you to watch the video. And if you join me, I'm going to send you an email of exactly what I do to rock and roll. All right? I'm making substantial amounts of money right now. All right? LiveGood's treating me right. But I've got other opportunities that completely benefit and complement and just hug and kiss little baby LiveGood. Okay? Because you need traffic. You need to know how to do emails. You need to know how to do a daily routine that's fun and simple so you follow through. Don't think this is hard work. You're not going to be sitting all day unless you want, figuring stuff out, setting things up, and just going crazy with just algorithms and then hitting F10 to save to open up a screen to go here and then, wet your finger and see if the wind is blowing a certain way so you can hurry and post because that's the best time to get people to sign up through email. There's all these things that try to complicate you probably so that if you buy a course and it takes you all this agony and time to set things up that it justifies, let's say, the course that's $100. Okay? You can be successful by not doing anything other than just post and be fun. All right? Just invite people to watch the video. joincory.com. Copy what I do, please. It works. All right? Deal? Guys, thank you for the last 10, 11 minutes. Looks like about 12 minutes of your life, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me if you need something. I'm not shy, guys. Cory@CoryDraper.com is my email. Find me on Facebook and inbox me. All right? You guys kick ass out there. Have a good day. Thanks for your time again. Joincory.com. Thanks, guys. Bye.